Outstanding design defines the 2013 Ram 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, leather upholstery, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, heated and ventilated seats, front fog lights, and seat memory. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.